Anywhere we are, anything we're doing, Dan, you are always freaking welcome. Your family. Hey, Purbutt. Oh my god. Jeffrey, Oscar and Audrey might come to Boston before the meetup as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Got him. Are they coming to Florida?
No, he said he could, but his work has him by 3 fingers in the butthole.
Oh, that feels kind of good though.
Feels kind of good, I know. Thanks for the hydrate. Thank you, Big Sims. Cherry. How are you, cherry butt? I love my cherry little butt, baby. I don't know why I took the... I shouldn't have took the root off of this. I'll be down this weekend then. Oh, perfect. All but good. How are you doing? I'm doing good. Chat, can we get some love in chat for Skids? Skids lost her job as a sheriff today. She is now just a soul in purgatory trying to figure out what she's gonna do. Hey Jay. How you doing?
How you doing? I'm watching them play pickleball.
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 Pickle these balls.
Pickleball.
I pickle a ball, I pickle a ball. You pickle a ball, we pickle a ball. Pickle a ball.
Pickle.
Piccolo.
Do you want me to talk to God?
No. I could, but I'm gonna add more stuff to it.
Well, this is for.
Okay.
Get it out of the way.
I'm getting my damn job back.
What are you making?
Piccolo. I'm making an ensalada.
Ensalada.
Ensalada. Not to be confused with the enchilada.
No, confused with enchiladas.
Piccolo. Everything's fine. I'm trying out the Mexican pizza for the first time at the OG Taco Bell. Nice, dude. Mexican pizza is good, but the Crunchwrap Supreme, I believe, is far more superior. And we're very close to the Crunchwrap Supreme being completed. Dude, if we complete that while Dan and Rusty and them are here, that would be dope. I just realized right now that everyone around me is cleaning. Hi Swanee, how are you? What's your favorite kind of pepper to cook with? I enjoy red bell peppers a lot, but I like all peppers, honestly. I like green peppers. I like jalapenos, serranos, fresnos. Oh, those are chilies. I like little baby peppers. Cherry Page, you rang? Yes, hello Cherry Page. Twin. Cherry, who is that? What up, Tank Monkey? How are you? That funky monkey.
Here you go, Guido.
That funky.
Yeah, it might be a little hot.
That funky monkey.
Everything all set? Good to go?
Beautiful.
Room's all set?
Thank you for the trash.
Who's got them? Debbie? Jeffrey went to get them?
Grazie per il trasho. Basura? Jay's here. Salt and pepper? Wait, what? Oh,
I
okay.
like romaine lettuce, man.
I love romaine.
Me too.
I like all lettuce though.
You
I
know
like
what I'm doing this
spinach.
Fresh romaine.
Yeah,
I get it. I get a slice of American cheese.
yeah.
Take off a leaf. Just wrap it in. And dip it in ranch dressing or something.
Yep.
And that's it.
Fire.
Eat it like that.
I do that, but I do it with, I'm not a fan of iceberg lettuce until it comes to like making a sando out of it. Cause
Iceberg
it's round.
fresh from our farm.
Yeah. Mhm.
This is romaine fresh from the farm.
Oh, true. Yeah, you can't beat that.
No. Yeah, go down,
Unbeatable.
So spoiled. I go down and cut it and we eat it.
My bad, Cherry Page. Didn't realize there was 2 in chat. Damn ads. Who is Cherry Page? Hello from the cold and damp UK. Oh my gosh. Is it wet over there right now? You know, I did like an interview today with Twitch staff. And they asked me like what I've learned mostly about Twitch. I was like, yeah, community, this, that. And I've learned a lot about weather. She was like, weather? I was like, yeah, there's so many people here that just come by and just talk about the weather wherever they are. It's like, oh, that makes sense.
I want to have a piece of that focaccia, man. I know that.
There's a lot of focaccia.
Who's making it? Oh, we're not going to the things. Yeah, Dave. I don't know. I'm going with the flow.
What?
That's why she's cooking. And plus, why waste all the
No, let's eat the food. I want to eat
Better
the
than a
focaccia.
No, eat. This will all be ready when they get here.
Better than a restaurant.
I made pasta dough. We'll do pasta later.
Oh.
Just don't get full for dinner.
No, I'm not going to eat nothing then.
Oh.
No, yeah.
We'll wait for the focaccia if we're going to have it for supper.
Eat oatmeal.
Okay. No, the focaccia, you can have some of it now. I made pasta that I'm going to roll out for dinner.
Yeah, cool. But the focaccia goes with the pasta.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Oui.
Oui, oui.
Oui, chérie.
Oui, chérie.
But where's the sheets?
Where's the sheets? I helped Dave clean that car. You get?
Oh, no.
Worse.
We just talk about the weather in the
Tomatoes.
UK. Megan, can you make scrambled eggs in microwave? I'm sure you can. You put it in a little bit and then mix it and put it in. But, ew, Conway, why would you do that? Lettuce wraps from P.F. Chang are amazing. By the way, Megan, when are you coming over to shovel? I don't know how to do that.
Shovel?
I'm no special shovel. I've been following you for ages and normally lurk. Oh, like Cherry Page, every time I think about it, I'm like, it's freaking Cherry with the alt account. It's not my fault, Cherry Page. It's the fault of all my mods and community that a lot of them are trolling. 11 months, 2 days for us. Let's go, dude. What a gangster. Santa Ana's like crazy today, dude. Why? Who trolls you? Everyone. I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before too, Cherry Page. We probably have this discussion every time you're here. I made scrambled eggs and fried eggs in the microwave. So good? Wait, what? I remember those microwave egg cookers infomercials. Wait, that's a real thing? Angel. Yes, you're an angel. Shukimi Koni. Damn it. Musty! As I was saying. The trolls in chat. Okay. In the fridge. Poach an egg in a microwave. I dare you know. New here, no troll. Sweets, I'm on your side. That's what. Wait, what's that look for? Like 6 months ago? True. That means you need to come by more often and hang out. Alright, what else do I have to do, dudes? Salad, that's done. I already have a dressing for it.
You know, yeah.
Could add a little bit more to the dressing.
But yeah.
Somewhere here.
No.
To me, microwaving an egg is no different than microwaving a steak. Oh my gosh. Okay, this needs to come to room temp and then we can mess with it.
Yeah.
The olive oil, it solidified a little bit. Bum 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 bada bum bum bum. Now poaching. Alright, am I caught up? Okay, I'm caught up. I feel like I haven't been caught up all day. I blame Run Dan Run. Huh? And possibly Dan Moran.
bolt on. So what's it with the elastic one? The regular?
Yeah.
Definitely not unicorn because she's an angel. I don't know what this music is. It's on like a repeat thing. And it'll just start playing random stuff. This is called Let It Off. This is called Syllable. Hopefully it's more calm. Hopefully. It seems more calm already.
Yeah, but that's not the right one.
Okay, everything's fine. Everything is fine. Alright, back to my list. Romaine salads done. Squash, zucchini, cucumber done. The cheese I have over there, candy walnuts done. Oh, we can cut up the chicken. Already way better. This is the chicken we made last night. Who was here? One's in chat if you were here last night for the stream. It was a really beautiful stream, actually. We had a great time. Let's go, Skids. Tekken, let's go. What the hell, Ricer? You have to be here at all times. Oh, I know what that is. Everyone that has this emote in chat every time you hear this sound. Thank you. Hi, Lala, baby. What's up, Lala butt? Thank you, guys. Thank you. And thank you. What up, Minnie Mouse? Minnie Mouse, I heard Chef Steve call you the best Minnie Mouse. And when Steve says that, that means it really is the best Minnie Mouse. What's up, Lala? How are you? This was a whole chicken that we cooked down. We made a broth with its bones. And we cooked the rest of it in like a spinach cream sauce. Sauce, kids. I good, how's you? I'm good. Thank you so much. I don't know if I want to do cubes. Should we do cubes or slices, chat? I think it might have to be cubes. Cubes? Okay. I'm feeding 8 people, so I'm gonna stretch this. As much as possible. Well, this will get broken down a little bit more. The consistency of cubing, you're sick. The spinach part is for me. Thank you. The skin part, maybe we can crisp up again. Oh, Lala butt. How's the baby? How's the baby?
Yeah, you get these out of hot closet? Yeah.
Bum bum ba da dum bum bum ch ch bum ch bum. This song is so much more mellow than the other one. No skin. Let's go, Tank Monkey. She's great. Let's go. Down south, what are you doing tonight? Chat, any weekend plans? Oh, saw, dude. Saw. Sorry. I agree. Chicken skin is fire. La 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 la, you breaking me. La 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 la. There's so much flavor in this chicken, dude. Call it what you want it. I'll be coming for you. I'll be coming for you all night long. Hey, hey. Watching football.